Everybody watches a film जो murder है, सब देखते रहते हैं कि अरे कौन है वो, ये होगा ये होगा ये होगा ये होगा. They, so they become somebody else. They get involved. It's like playing a game. It's like playing a good game of tennis where you think you're going to put the ball here, you put the ball here, then he beats you. You're playing a game with yourself and those characters.
And they told their stories. We had time, yeah. 3-hour movies, 3.5-hour movies. Lagan was 3 hours 42 minutes. In fact, we felt cheated if we didn't have a 3-hour film. Now is it 180 minutes? Oh God, I can't watch that.
Also, I had a lot of freedom to do and give my inputs because I'm a Marathi person, and the character is also Marathi, and she belongs to Satara. So I had that freedom to play around the character and do complete rebellion things because the character is like that.
Murder mystery becomes the most difficult content, but also the most satisfying content if it becomes king.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू IWM बस. और आज हमारे साथ है पुणे हाईवे के राइटर, डायरेक्टर एंड एक्टर. सो फर्स्टली बिग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन सर्स.
Thank you.
फाइनली ये रिलीज़ होने वाला है, ऑडियंस के सामने आने वाला है. कितना एक्साइटमेंट है. मोर देन 2 years यू गेव फॉर दिस मूवी. नाउ इस अब ऑडियंस के सामने पेश हो रहा है ये.
Instead of excitement, वो मैं word change करना चाहता हूँ, डर.
देखो मेरा हाथ.
No, you're right. 2 years and बहुत सारा excitement है, anticipation है. So hopefully उन लोगों को पसंद आए. They are the final judge.
Audience love now murder mystery to see, post COVID all this stuff change की murder mystery कौन देखेगा. तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट पहले होता था कि जो मिस्ट्री शोज होते हैं वो सिर्फ समझदार लोग ही देख सकते हैं, आप टाइम पास के लिए नहीं देख सकते हो. कोविड के बाद ये नरेशंस चेंज हो गया जस्ट बिकॉज अब सब देखना पसंद करते हैं. आप लोग का क्या ख्याल है?
परी?
I feel कि murder mystery का जो दिलचस्प among audiences was always there.
Yeah.
But I think क्या हुआ है कि with the cinemas not being open during COVID, all the OTTs were showing. I think the big difference is now we've got web series. I think web series has helped people कि जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, when you have a 8-course meal, each course is 40 minutes. You don't have to wait. So at the end of every, I think the OTTs and the filmmakers, we have to thank web series for the love for murder mystery. Because that's a lot of material, but every 40 minutes you're left with a feeling, I've got to see the next, I've got to see the next. Because the audience can't be bored for even 2 minutes. They have to feel कि अब क्या होएगा, murderer कौन है, suspect कौन है, अभी ये नहीं है तो ये है, red herrings, I think TV has helped, at least the crime thriller, the murder mystery, the neo-noir, it's helped a lot, and content is finally king.
I think everybody, सबको एक अच्छा puzzle solve करने में कुछ satisfaction. So everybody watches a film जो murder है, सब देखते रहते हैं कि अरे कौन है वो, ये होगा ये होगा ये होगा ये होगा. So they become somebody else. They get involved. It's like playing a game. It's like playing a good game of tennis where you think you're going to put the ball here, you put the ball here, then he beats you. You're playing a game with yourself and those characters. So ये addictive है. People get used to it. Whether you see it in a web series or you see it on TV, you see it in a novel. A web series का form ही novel है. Novelized thing. So this kind of filmmaking कभी out of style नहीं होगा. Murder mystery will continue to be a murder. But like love. Like romance.
Also I feel कि murder mystery में audience participation हो रहा है. You see a love story, उसके बाद कैसा था, अच्छा let's go and have dinner. Murder mystery में you guessed, no I guessed, you guessed, no you didn't know, so that audience thing which is that did you guess and one-upmanship, you didn't guess, I guessed early on. It's a very
अब discussion ज़्यादा होने लगे.
Yeah.
Ketki, when you got this movie, how was your first reaction? Was it always yes for this movie?
So I had a long process to become a part of this film. So I auditioned like 6-7 months back for this film, and I didn't get a call. I was like, okay, but still I was manifesting somewhere in the universe, like just ki, हाँ, I really want this film. Okay, I didn't know who was going to make that film. I just knew that there are a couple of great actors are going to work in this film. But I just want, and it was a murder mystery, and I'm a great fan of thrillers and horror films. So I was like, okay, I really want to do something in this genre. So somehow I was manifesting it, and luckily one morning Bugs got up, and at 3 a.m. he saw my audition, and then he called Rahul.
Then I went and picked her up in Pune
Yeah.
because I didn't want to lose her because he
Yeah.
does something. So I went to.
So real gem from Pune highway.
She's from Pune. Yeah,
Yeah.
she's the Pune highway girl.
Yeah.
And
Then- Yeah. Then we met. He told me the story. Then I spoke to Rahul on Zoom call, and I thought, yeah, I'm already a part of this film. Like since we started the discussion, and also I had a lot of freedom to do and give my inputs because I'm a Marathi person, and the character is also Marathi, and she belongs to Satara. So I had that freedom to play around the character and do complete rebellion things because the character is like that. So yeah, it was good for me.
Sir, as you said, content is king now. So लोगों में पेशेंस नहीं है अब 2 मिनट भी वो वेट करके नो दे कांट वॉच कि अब क्या होगा वाला. सो टू मेंटेन दैट थिंग like that curiosity, is it tough from your side also as a writer and director?
So I think that is the. So we talked about the murder mystery.
Yeah.
I think the murder mystery becomes the most difficult content, but also the most satisfying content if it becomes king. So the amount of time Bugs and I spent, just first the time spent कि क्या रखना चाहिए play से क्या नहीं निकलना. Then the plotting it, because even though it's a relationship, there are characters, you can't lose the plot. So there's what Bugs calls a fishbone. कि मच्छी का जो center क्या है, and what are the sides that, what is your center point becomes critical for audience interaction and audience feeling. Because you're right, I mean, today with OTT I can switch off in 2 minutes. Still in cinemas you don't leave immediately. Interval तक बैठते हैं.
थोड़ा और देखते हैं.
I've paid so much money. Chunnu Munnu Jannu, my entire family is there.
Yeah.
I spent 20 minutes parking. So you tend to watch. In OTT, one doorbell comes, Swiggy का खाना आ गया, ting, I'm gone. Or I'll see the second half on Saturday. What keeps you in your seat becomes very critical. So if you're going to hold them in a thriller, where what we loosely call binge, so you want them to binge watch a movie also. Today,
Yeah.
a 2-hour film is just binge watching.
Yeah.
It's not a 180-minute. But so the content is king, provided you can keep them to their
You
seats.
keep a tension thread. हम जो लिखते हैं और फिल्म बनाते हैं, हम ये tension thread का नाम का एक चीज़ होता है. So it has to awaken in you. When you're watching, if the tension builds and you don't want to break it, it's addictive.
Yes.
You feel, so we like we're saying, write for ourselves. हमारी अंदर tension thread आ गई तो it'll be there in the audience.
And also the thing, Shweta, is that to me, content is king, and there's a thriller in every genre. Even in a love story,
Even love story.
if you get now they found each other,
Yeah.
interval when I'll go. Because I'm used to 40 minutes now.
Yeah.
I'm used to 10 seconds in Insta, but I'm used to a 40 minute, like we have to start making 10-second feature films,
वो आ जाएगा. I'm sure it'll come.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recently shot a micro drama series,
Yeah,
which is
they
like
just
a
started,
vertical
yeah.
web series, and each episode is of 3 minutes, and also like 10 seconds is for introduction and like
Introduction,
all the credits.
And
all
they will
that.
bring in that 20 parts.
Okay.
Yeah. So all this is
So
happening
हम
now.
तो एडवर्टाइजिंग बनाने वाले 30 सेकंड में कहानी बताते हैं.
बट अगर सर बात किया जाए जब 70s और 80s में थ्रिलर शोज आते थे, दे यूज टू हिट द थिएटर वेरी मच, लाइक ऑडियंस यूज टू लव दैट. इतने VFX नहीं होते थे, बस वो
Yeah.
रेड और ब्लैक लाइट्स के मैजिक्स होते थे. व्हाट इज दैट वन मिसिंग फैक्टर नाउ फ्रॉम थ्रिलर शो, जो अभी भी लोग कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो 70s और 80s की मूवीज चूज करेंगे?
I think Shweta, there's a lot of nostalgia. You know, that feeling ki, arey. See, big screen is big screen.
Yeah.
I think the small screen can never reproduce that feeling when we first saw Sholay and Gabbar Singh walked in that thing and Dolby sound and the CinemaScope. Our eyes are wide-eyed, and therefore a screen should be wide-eyed also. You know, it's that feeling. And when we watch those films now, you realize they had nothing at that time. They had enough access editing.
Yeah.
It's so easy today. The memory, you know, to be able to go through hours and hours of, and they told their stories. We had time, yeah. 3-hour movies, 3.5-hour movies. Lagan was 3 hours 42 minutes. In fact, we felt cheated if we didn't have a 3-hour film. Now is it 180 minutes? Oh God, I can't
my
watch
God.
that. You know. The simplicity of filmmaking.
And the other strange thing is they took their time. अभी सब हरिड हो जाता है.
जी.
So आपको अंदर घुसने में चांस ही नहीं है क्योंकि you just keeps going by.
Yeah.
In those days, they took their time. So I was telling Rahul, I'm reading a Daphne du Maurier book called Rebecca now, made into a movie years ago with Laurence Olivier, you know. और उसका जो मेरे को लग रहा है कि इतना टाइम लेती है to take you into the atmosphere.
Yeah.
So atmosphere also glues you. It becomes glue. I feel now we are too hurried to have that. बहुत जल्दी खत्म करते हैं तो experience ही नहीं है.
True.
You know, that's my feeling.
Yes. Ketki, you have done many regional movies and the projects also. So, is there any difference between any regional movies or the projects? Because we always say that there is a difference. But do you find as an artist?
Yeah, there always will be that difference because it's a different region, it's a different culture, it's a different food, different festivals.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be different, and of course, like when you work in your mother tongue, like Marathi, I'm a Marathi person. So when I work here, I feel more comfortable, and also I also feel sometimes I'm taken for granted because I'm just Marathi and ही आपलीच मुलगी आहे. हिला काय म्हणजे काही आपण करू शकतो हिच्यासोबत किंवा काही थोडंसं ऍडजस्ट करेल. But when I go to South, you understand Marathi? So I spoke in Marathi.
You can speak in Marathi. It's okay.
So, but when I go to South or like Malayalam or Telugu industry, I feel it's more protective environment because I'm coming from outside, so they will take care of you more if I'm fine. But yeah, sometimes you get bad experiences also, but you should know like how to deal with it.
Marathi cinema is getting more love now.
Yeah.
How you see? As an
People
artist?
respect Marathi actors a lot in South.
Yeah.
I mean, even the Telugu film I was doing, so that director really likes Marathi actor. So, and that was a plus point for me to get into that film. I mean, I was like, this is such an important role. I was playing Bharati's character, which is a real life character. But then I got that role because I'm a Marathi actor and he had seen my work and he thought Marathi actors are more committed and more, focused, and they are little, out of the way they go to, find something in the character. So people respect a lot and we should respect ourselves.
So Ketki got a holistic experience here because I'm South Indian.
Yes, exactly.
Rahul is Goan and Gujarati.
Yeah, it's like
I feel Marathi. So
All mixed. So it's now pan India movie.
yeah.
अगर सर बात किया जाए आजकल स्क्रीनिंग्स अगर देखा जाए कितने सारे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं काफ़ी कम फिल्म्स जाते हैं नाउ यंग ऑडियंस और यंग फिल्म मेकर वांट्स टू प्रमोट देयर मूवीज डायरेक्टली टू इंटरनेशनल्स दे फॉरगॉट देयर ग्राउंड लेवल और वी कैन से वो जो डोमेस्टिक लव है वो भूलकर डायरेक्टली इंटरनेशनल जंप ले रहे हैं हाउ यू सी
I think also, see, it's actually, I think it's a catch-22 where I think filmmakers who want their films to go international perhaps are feeling that will their films be appreciated in India? You know, if you're a filmmaker, like I tell you honestly, why I feel this film not will do well, but will at least be watched by a Western audience is because it has a Western sensibility. Not because we are Western in that sense, but it has a feeling that whether you're from Bombay or from Gurgaon, you feel that this is the kind of film that I'll understand. There's no dumbing down. There is no lowest common denominator. There's no, so I'm proud for it to release here, and I'm proud if it gets a foreign release also, because I know it'll appeal to both.
Yeah.
How it'll do, I don't know, but I know it'll be understood and loved by both. I think a lot of filmmakers who send their films abroad feel that with the kind of demands required of, well, not the item number only, but a certain kind of violence and a certain kind of
Dark sense.
certain item, you tick
Yeah.
certain things. Is the villain foreign audience be more sympathetic, more empathetic, enjoy more? You know, I don't think it's. I think anybody would love their film to do well here. I never met a single Indian filmmaker who says, "No, boss, I don't want this. I want that audience." I think it comes from a certain feeling that I don't know how it will be judged, and if it is a cinema release again, who will come? You know, there's a certain expectation that we have of a cinema release also.
And certain kind of film hai na, they don't have a place to screen. These young fellows might make a fantastic film. There's no place to show it. So earlier, Rahul and I just last week were talking. Nariman Point में एक theatre होती थी, Akashvani. You know, Akashvani, you could see the best films in the world there.
Yeah.
You know, and it was always there. वो गायब हो गया. So now, where do these young people show? At least abroad, maybe there are certain theatres that will
They
show the
have.
film. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think we should, as an industry, start looking at how to get more people's films seen. Maybe film clubs. There must be a new
That
idea,
should be, yeah.
you know, that we can bring to things. Then these people will, young guys will have places to, young guys and girls
Yeah.
will have places to screen their films. I know that in Pune there's a film club in Kothurud somewhere, and they've got some 500-600 members, and it's 200 rupees a ticket or whatever, and they show them really good films.
I think every institute have to start this.
Yes, I
And
agree
the
with you.
filmmaking
I
institute.
agree
they
with
should-
Totally.
Yes.
FTI should,
Yeah.
Whispering Woods.
Whistling
Woods.
Sorry.
And even any college, no?
Any
Because what do you
college.
do? Because film is also now, film is in everything. Advertising mein film hai, you know, marketing mein film hai, you know, I'm a technical, we used to make films where doctors performing operations.
Yeah.
So they could teach, you know, the students.
Yes.
Film is everywhere. So if every institute started to use film as a thing and encourage it, we'll have a,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, even I remember, like so my native place is Akola,
Oh.
and I never went to a theater till I was in 8th, 9th standard, because allowed is it was not allowed. But in 5th standard, our school took us to watch Chhota Chetan.
Oh, yeah.
And that was the
3D.
first film I
3D.
watched,
Lovely.
which was 3D. And I was like, I don't know what I'm watching. This guy is coming here, this horse is going there. So for me, that was an experience, and I feel like the small cities, small villages, even in school, whatever they are feeding with is television or serials, or you know, most of the time news. कि वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? There is a murder happened. This happened. So more than that, if schools from the small places also take that initiative to show kids good films like Children of Heaven or you know, some world cinema, they will have a different perspective of life, and they can turn into writers and filmmakers or
like
what
Manthan,
not.
for example. Manthan, what
Yeah.
a great film.
Good.
It should be shown every school,
Yeah.
everywhere, you know. I'm grateful to my school. I went to school in Bangalore. Fees ज़्यादा नहीं था because also I was treated as a poor student. तो सब 10 रुपया कुछ ज़्यादा था. But every Friday there was a film.
Wow.
Every Friday, I don't know how the school afforded it.
Back
also.
then,
Yes.
like Isvishan.
When the man landed on the moon. But there was a film every
Yeah.
week. And otherwise, I'd never have got to see the films that I saw.
Yeah.
No? So, opportunity is very important that we give it to the young filmmaker.
Yeah. Lastly, which star cast was most easiest and toughest?
To act, to work with.
Yeah.
Toughest.
For this 6 months.
Toughest to find. Okay?
No, Shweta, we were lucky on this one.
Yeah.
Because everybody that we wanted, maybe it's the first film for me, so everybody felt bad. But it was Amit was already, because Bugs has worked with them before. Jim was a wish list because that character Vishnu, he's a character I find very interesting. It has to be slightly foreign, slightly Indian. It has to have that. There are very few actors like that. You know, when you see him, you don't feel he's a typical. He said yes. Anubhav is our friend, and I asked him to cast because he had played the part, no?
On
He
the
had-
theatre.
on the stage.
Oh, on play.
On the play, yeah. So I said, so that is Anubhav Pal.
Yeah.
Manjari also we had a relationship with because we
Yes.
worked before. So it comes back again the most difficult part. Like Ketki was wonderful. Did some
Yeah.
crazy scenes. You see the film, you'll see.
Yes.
But I think actors, you know, Shweta, actors, I love actors because it's their craft, yeah. You know, I don't know any actor I know who would not sacrifice anything to because on your Wikipedia tells you anything, but on a CV, on a biodata, what films does a person put? And you want your film to be on that biodata. So I think Bugs because he's an actor, will always write roles that are actor friendly, that have an arc, that you know. So hopefully we'll never have difficult time casting people, but at least on this one you were lucky.
So lastly, one message for the audience.
So Rahul,
If you don't come and see it, I may not have 3 square meals, okay? Just
please come and enjoy our film, and be the detective. Be the detective we want you to be.
yes. Say it in
Do we
Marathi.
know the date?
16th May.
16 मेला थिएटरमध्ये जाऊन नक्की बघा. पुणे हायवे. अमेझिंग स्टोरी आहे, अमेझिंग म्युझिक आहे आणि या दोघांनी लिहिली आहे. दे लुक ओल्ड बट दे आर नॉट.
Thank you
young
so
at heart.
much. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you. God bless you.